Hi, and welcome to the channel. I hope you're all well. I'm presenting you an amazing project today. I'm really excited for it, and let's just get straight into it. So, we're going to have a look at Fantasy Football Pro, where you can build your very own football team in crypto and compete in tournaments to win daily, weekly, and monthly prizes, and so much more as well. So, it's a fun way to earn profit in a really simple manner. So on the top, we have all the important tabs like Home, Dream Team, Features, Ecosystem, frequently asked questions, and their Twitter and Telegram. Here we also have the Buy Token and Go to the App buttons. And on the top, on the right, we also have all the tabs rearranged if you want to just scroll through the site easily. So the fantasy football evolves in the crypto world, and right here you can join the Telegram group with 12,000 members or get the football fantasy app once it's live. It's the same button as the one on here. So the website looks really nice so far. The token can be purchased on PancakeSwap and it's listed on BSC Scan and Dex Tools, and soon is coming to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as well. So here we have the ultimate crypto football manager. Build your own team, build your own story. The experience, the closest thing to being a real manager by taking charge of your very own football team, playing and competing around the globe in your own way. So that sounds really exciting. It surely is a lot of fun. Make your own strategy, recruit the best players, and lead your team to the victory. Earn points based on your player performance during this week and specific tournaments. Make your strategy and do your best to reach the top. High scoreboard players will be rewarded every week. So here we have how the app will look at its final stage. We have some screenshots. It really is promising. So the Fantasy Football Pro features is a fair game for everyone. Everyone starts with the same amount of points to spend on players from the very first day. No advantages will be given to anyone. That's really nice. I really like the sense of fairness. All players from the top 5 leagues will be available initially. So build your team with players from the Spanish, English, Italian, French, and German league. Football legends will be available in legendary tournaments. Imagine having Cruyff, Pele, and Maradona in your very own team. Advanced Football Fantasy Pro app. So enter to a new team couching dimension with the Football Fantasy Pro app. You'll experience the football in the crypto world as never you've done it before. And here are the prices every week, every month, and in many tournaments. A wide variety of prizes will be awarded, both digital and physical, such as BNB tokens, Football Fantasy Pro tokens, NFT cards, signed football players' t-shirts, among many other prizes. So the prices look really, really nice. You can earn profit or get some collectibles like t-shirts. It's a very fun way to engage a larger audience. In the ecosystem, we have a FootballStar project. So we have the integration with FootballStars. We can click in here. So Football Fantasy Pro is the first project for the FootballStars ecosystem. The 2% from every transaction will be used to be added in the FootballStar liquidity and tokens will be burned. So it's really nice that the project is a part of a bigger ecosystem. Biggest football community in DeFi. Community powered with more than 25,000 active members in the Telegram group, more than 22,000 Twitter followers. FootballStars become the biggest football project in DeFi. Next, the top football players and celebrities aboard. Join with more than 20 players such as Marcelo Borovic, Arturo Vidal, Mateo Kovacic, Ivan Perisic, Andrea Ranocchia, Samir Handanovic, among many, many others. and the Football Fantasy Pro Tokenomics. So there's an 8% burning system in each transaction. 2% will be used to buy back on FootballStars tokens will be burned. 3% will be used to buy back on Football Fantasy Pro tokens will be burned as well. 2% will be used for marketing, partnership, and centralized exchanges. 1% will be distributed among all players. And the total supply is 100 million tokens. So that's quite a nice supply, I would say. Looking at the frequently asked questions, we have, are FootballStars and Football Fantasy Pro different tokens? And yes, the Football Fantasy Pro token belongs to FootballStar ecosystem and has a strong relationship with FootballStars. And where can you buy the Football Fantasy Pro token? So it's available initially on PancakeSwap, and the launching date will be announced very soon. So that's very important to follow their Telegram and their Twitter to be on top of all the news. What is the slippage to buy? Use 7% or more slippage to buy Football Fantasy tokens. And how can I play with legends such as Maradona or Ronaldinho? Legendary players will be available shortly after the launching of the app. However, the mechanics will be unveiled before launching. So that's pretty nice. And here you can be the number one. The rules are set, the game is yours, and the glory awaits for the bravest. You can just start by buying it on PancakeSwap using either this button or this one in here. So there we are. Experience fantasy football like you have never done before. On the very top, we have, again, social media, contact, and all the tabs summed up in here. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you liked Fantasy Football Pro as much as I did. I'm really excited for it to come out. It looks like so much fun, and the profit will just keep coming by itself. So thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to check the description, hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.